Hello traders, this is Mike Billion. Today is December 30, 2014. Let's talk about the market. We are very near 2015 and we are here getting ready for the first quarter. This is going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of opportunities in the market and I'm going to mention a few of them. Let's see eBay. eBay, as you can see here, has been trading sideways since February 2013. You can see the sideways movements between Fibonacci 57.62 and Fibonacci 50 and below the 45, which was support back in October. So this is a great opportunity because it's a beautiful chart that has been consolidating for almost 2 years, and we can get a nice breakout right here, or we can get a breakdown. So this is on my watch list right now. Is bullish and strong. This is my take right now. Is bullish and strong. So the last time we break out Fibonacci resistance 57.62 was back in March 2014, and I wouldn't enter that trade since there was a huge divergence right here on DMI. If you know about DMI, so if you join my billion, you will know what is a divergence on DMI. Not many people know. So there was a divergence. I would never enter this breakout, and also the low volume that continued the day after the breakout. It was low volume, so it was a fake out, and we break down from 57 to 48 and use a couple weeks. So it was a back fake out. So right now I'm going to watch if we're going to break out here with volume, and I'm going to see if we can run to 60 or 65. So this one is a beauty for 2015. Now let's talk about Apple. Apple right here, break out this triangle wedge, or this, let's say this is a semi-triangle wedge, and it's moving sideways below 114.20. Today the bears took control on DMI. So you can see here, this is DMI. Yesterday it was neutral bullish, but today is bearish. And we can go down and test this trend line. We can test this trend line right here, or this Fibonacci 109.89, which is the support. If we break down this trend line and the Fibonacci 109.89, then we in trouble, and we for sure gonna test the 102.87. But be careful, because if we get to this level, this is a buy level, and we can bounce really nicely to go in this trend, continue the trend to 126 Fibonacci extension. So Apple is another beautiful 2015. Now let's talk about Amazon. Beautiful triangle wedge. My take is that this is going to break down based on the fundamental of this company. I don't like the fundamentals of this company. This company is making zero in profits. It's just holding right here, waiting for a fat finger to sell, and this thing is gonna go down to 225 or 176. So this is my support line, which is around 283, 284. So if we break down right here and confirm with volume, I'm gonna short this one for 2015. Now let's talk about Baba. Baba is a beautiful triangle wedge, nice company, nice fundamentals, and I think this is another beauty for 2015. Now let's talk about Coach, COH. As you can see here on this chart, it consolidates all 2013, but 2014 was a bad year for Coach, and it went down from 2012 79 levels to 33. But look at this, and I wanted to put this one in your watch list. Nice base. This is what I call a nice base. Many points at this level, 33, 35. So it's a nice base, and I think if we break out this trend line, this downtrend line, we might see this company going to the 50s. So this one is a beauty that I want you to put in your watch list for 2015, and I will send alerts to subscribers or members if I see that we can enter loan using auctions or the stock. Now let's talk about Facebook. Facebook is trending It's trending very nicely. It's inside this wedge, and my take is that this is gonna go to the apex of this wedge, and based on the report that is gonna report in January 28, we're gonna see a breakout or a breakdown. The fundamentals of this company is very good, and we might see a breakout to the hundreds. So I'm long Facebook using the stock right now, but if I see a breakout in this wedge, I'm gonna enter long using calls. Now let's talk about IBM. This is a funny story. Couple months ago, Kramer say, sell Apple, buy IBM. Look at this. Now look at Apple. A completely joke. So that's what I'm telling you. You have to learn technical analysis so you can make your own decision and don't follow those people that tell you to buy or sell something based on nothing, based on hope, or based on they are selling or buying auctions so they can make money when you enter. So be careful. This is a completely joke. It's breaking down right here. It's a little wedge that I wanted to show you. So this might be a nice company for short for 2015. There's a gap to close right here, but there's a trend line right here that it wants to break out, but it looks like it's failing out, and it might go to the 127 level if we continue down. So this one is a beauty for short in 2015. My target is 127. Now let's talk about the last one. Let's talk about Netflix. Netflix, as you can see here, is still moving sideways between Fibonacci 320 and 485. My take on Netflix is that it's consolidating right here in this level, and if I see a breakout on this trend line, I might enter long using options to see if we can close this gap around 430. So this could be a nice trade, and they're gonna report next year, the beginning of next year, and I'm gonna watch price and I'm gonna watch volume to see if we can enter days before the earnings report if I see a breakout right here. Okay, so this is the last opportunity you're gonna have to enter the MacBillion project or using the lifetime membership. I'm gonna close the offer in 24 hours, so take the offer. It's a nice offer because you don't have to pay any monthly payments, and you will have my alerts, my updates, my video online course, and my mentoring. So this is the last opportunity, guys. This is MacBillion. Happy New Year. Trade on.